Hey there YouTube! The IT industry has a long history of April 1st pranks, and while I'm not here to continue that tradition, I wanted to break out of my usual box and teach you something and have a bit of fun at the same time. Lots of electronic devices benefit from the power being off every now and again, so if you're having issues with your desktop computer, modem, washing machine, iPhone, Wi-Fi, TV, Android tablet, dishwasher, digital camera, sound system, microwave, router, printer, laptop, Google Mini, iPad, Alexa, Bluetooth headset, Sonos, etc, etc, etc. Try turning them off, using the proper shutdown feature where possible, and leaving it off for a minute or two before turning it back on again. You might be surprised.
Diamond.
Yeah.
Come here. Hang on, puppy.
The tech doctor, hello? Sorry, you're having problem with iPhone apps crashing. That's an iPhone 7? Okay, probably the best thing you can do is reboot it. So for that model, you want to press the power button on the right hand side and the volume down button on the left hand side until you get the Apple logo. Hello? Hello? Okay, maybe not in the middle of the phone call. It might be worth trying if you just turn it off and then back on again. Just shut it down and restart. Cool.
Hey Dad,
Yes, sweetie?
my computer's not working.
Have you tried turning it off and back on again?
I'll go do that now. Dad, my phone's not working.
Have you tried turning it off and back on again?
Hey Dad,
Yes,
my
sweetie?
computer's not working.
Have you tried turning it off and back on again?
I'll go do that now. Yo, Dad,
Yes,
my
sweetie?
computer's not working.
Have you tried turning it off and back on again?
Okay. Hey Dad.
Have you tried turning it off and on again?
I was just gonna say it's time for dinner.
Oh.